speak of grace and my love so sweet. How you try on them that reject my need. And I can't help weeping at how it will be if you keep on ignoring my word. That you pray to prosper and succeed. Our flesh is something I just can't feel. To obey is better than sacrifice. I want more than Sundays and Wednesday nights. 'Cause if you can come to me every day, then don't bother coming at all. Trust and obey, for there's no other way to be happy in Jesus but to trust and obey. Walk with the Lord in the light of His word. What a glory He sheds on our way. What we do is good will. He abides with us still, and with all who will trust and obey. Trust and obey, for there's no other way to be happy in Jesus but to trust and obey.
Amen.
Fellowship sweet, we will sing at His feet, or we'll walk by His side in the way. What He says we will do, where He says we will go. Never fear, only trust and obey. Trust and obey, for there's no other way to be happy in Jesus but to trust and obey. Is better than sacrifice. I want hearts of fire, not prayers of ice. And I'm coming quickly to give back to you according to what you have done. According to what